Very good afternoon to all students. Heartily welcome to Narayana live classes. Okay, today I am going to explain about assignment which is dated on 2nd July 2020. So which is from 8th standard. Today our topic is construction of quadrilaterals, which is exercise 3.2. Okay, so let us discuss different constructions based on the different measurements. Today we have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS quadrilateral with the different measurements. When all sides and one diagonal is given, how can we draw? How can we construct the given quadrilateral PQRS? Okay, in that point of view, we have to construct this. The first assignment question is construct a quadrilateral PQRS with PQ is equal to 3 cm and QR is equal to 4 cm. Next, RS is 5 cm, PS is 3.5. as well as QS is equal to what? 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so if you say this one, so PQ, QR and RS, PS, all these four measurements are what? Sides of a quadrilateral. Now what about this QS is a diagonal, no? Diagonal. When diagonal is given, how can we construct? Let us see that. First of all, before going to that, let us draw the rough sketch or rough diagram. So first of all, we have to take PQ as line segment, base segment. That is base. PQ is equal to how much? What is that length? That is 3 cm. 3 cm. Okay. Next after. So what is PQ? Just I will draw this figure. PS. I will draw this. This is S and R. Okay. R. So just to restore the label that one. So PS is how much? 3.5 centimeter. Next it is a 5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. It is a 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. This is a rough diagram. Okay. Now we will go for the main sketch, main construction. So in this, first you have to draw the line segment whose length is 3 centimeters. Okay. Whose length is 3 centimeters. You can draw this one. So it is 3 centimeters. That is nothing but what? P and Q. You can take it as what? 3 centimeters length. Again, take point P as center with radius 3.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. Okay. Draw an arc. That is. So from point P with a radius 3.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Yes. Again, take point Q as a center with radius how much? 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Measure with the help of a scale. 5.5 centimeter. Yes. So take point Q as a center. Draw an arc. Yes. This point of intersection can take it as what? Point S. Point S. Again, now consider point S as a center with the radius how much? 5 centimeter. Draw an arc. The radius is 5 centimeters. Draw an arc. Yes. Okay. 5 centimeters. Draw an arc. Just like this. Okay. Again, take point Q as center. What is the radius? QR is how much is given QR? That is 4 centimeters. Draw an arc. With the help of scale, measure this. Yes. Okay. Take point Q as a center. With the radius how much? 4 centimeters. The radius is 4 centimeters. The point of intersection of these two arcs, let me take it as what? Capital R. Capital R. Now you have to join point S as well as P and point R as well as Q to form, and then also join these 2 points also to form quadrilateral PQRS. Just join these 2 points with the help of a scale. Next, join these 2 points with the help of scale. Yes, join these 2 points. Yes. Now we have to label this one. So what about this diagonal? QS is the diagonal. Yes, QS is the diagonal. So let me take this is a 5.5 centimeter. Next, 5 centimeter. PS is 3.5 centimeter. Next, what about QR is given as 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Okay. So likewise, we can construct the quadrilateral PQRS with the help of these all measurements. Now, so we have to write steps of construction. So there is totally 7 steps of construction as we have discussed. Just you have to write like this. The first one is draw the rough diagram and label it based on the given measurements of respective quadrilateral PQRS. The second one is draw the line segment whose length is 3 centimeter. And third point you can write it as what? Consider point P as a center with radius 3.5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Okay. Again, consider point Q as a center with radius how much? 5.5 centimeter. With radius is 5.5 centimeter. Draw one more arc. Okay. Now point of intersection of these two arcs can be considered as what? Yes. Again, consider this S as the center. Then draw one more arc whose radius is 5 centimeter. Again, consider Q as a center with radius 4 centimeter. Draw one more arc. Okay, the point of intersection of these two arcs need to consider as what? Capital R. Now join the points S as well as P and join the points R as well as Q and join these two points also, S as well as R. So hence you can construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, like that you have to write. Okay, the same way. So we'll go for the next assignment question. Yes. So let's go for the next question. Construct rhombus OPQ or QP. That is rhombus. Construct rhombus OPQR, where QP is equal to 3 centimeter. Next PR is equal to 4.6 centimeter. Okay. With the given two measurements, we have to construct the rhombus OPQR. Okay. So let's go for that. First we have to draw the rough diagram. So first of all, which one you can take as a base? You can take OP as a base. Okay. OP is given no? OP or anything. OPQ or PQ. So if you take a rhombus, okay, quadrilateral rhombus, all sides are equal, no? So that PQ as well as OP as well as PQ and QR and OR. So all sides are equal. That is equivalent to 3 centimeters. And one of the diagonal is given. PR is one of the diagonal whose length is 4.6 centimeters. So that let us consider OP is equal to 3 centimeter. That is same. OP is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Same thing. How to draw this rough diagram? It is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. And draw this diagram whose length is 4.6 centimeter. OP, Q, R. So this is a rough diagram. Okay. Next, for this measurements, you have to draw the main construction. Okay. Construct rhombus OPQR. In this case, you have to take reference as OP as a line segment. Okay. Draw 3 centimeters line segment. 3 centimeters line segment. Okay. So OP, that is 3 centimeters. This is nothing but what? Main sketch. Okay, main construction. Okay, so we have completed line segment. Again, consider point P, point O as a center with radius 3 centimeters. With radius 3 centimeters. That can be done with the help of compass. Okay, so same thing. But this total is 3 centimeters. No? Yes. Again, yes. Draw an arc with the radius is how much? 3 centimeters. Again, from point P to R, draw one more arc whose radius how much? 4.6 centimeters. Whose radius is 4.6 centimeters. Take that one. Yes. So from here, take P as a center with radius how much? With the radius is 4.6 centimeters. Yes. Again. So the point of intersection of these two arcs can be taken as what? Point R. Point R. Okay. Now you have to join R2O as well as R2P. R2O as well as R2P. So let us join these two. Yes. Yes. Next one. So join these 2 points to form diagonal of a rhombus. Yes. Diagonal of rhombus. What about this one? It is 3 centimeter. It is 4.6 centimeter. 4.6 centimeter. Now we have to identify this point Q. So again take point R as a center with the radius how much? 3 centimeters. That from point R. The same thing we have to do from point P. Okay. First we have to take 3 centimeters radius, that is from P as a center, here as a center. Okay. Again from R, how to take 3 centimeters as a radius? Again draw one more arc. Yes. Now point of intersection, let us take it as what? It is Q. Q. Now you have to join. You have to join point Q as well as P as well as point Q to R to form a rhombus. The given rhombus. Yes. Next. Again. Yes. Okay. This is the construction of rhombus OPQR with the help of these two measurements. Okay. So after that we have to write steps of construction. Again same points, 7 points. The first point is draw the rough diagram and label it based on that measurements of respective rhombus OPQR. Okay. The second point, draw the line segment OP whose radius is 3 centimeter. Again, consider O as a center with a radius 3 centimeter. Draw an arc. Again from point P with a radius 4.6 centimeters. Draw one more arc. The point of intersection of these two arcs can be taken as capital R. Okay, capital R. Again, join these 2 points R comma O as well as R to P. Okay, to form a diagonal of a given rhombus. Again, with the help of point R, take it as center with a radius 3 centimeter. Draw an arc. Again from point P with a radius 3 centimeters. Draw one more arc. Now point of intersection of these two arcs can be taken as capital Q. Capital Q. Now you have to join point R as well as Q and point P as well as Q. Okay. So hence we have constructed rhombus OPQR. Okay. This is the second one. So let's go for question number 3. Question number 3. Next two questions are multiple choice type questions. This question number 3 is find the value of y. Find the y from the given figure. This given figure as like this. So rhombus is A, B, C, D. All sides are equal is given. But it is 5 plus 8. It is 3y. 3y. So find the value of y. So is given 4 options. Option A is 2, B is 4. C is 15, D is 10. D is 10. Okay. From the properties of rhombus, all sides are equal, no? So that we have to equate these two sides. That is, so y plus 8 is equal to 3y. Okay. Now just to transpose this one. That is 3y minus y is equal to how much? 8. What about this difference can be written as 2y is equal to what? 8. What we can write y is equal to 8 by 2. How many times it is? Y. That is 4 times. Okay. So that the value of y can be written as 4. Which option is right? Option B is the right option. Okay. Next question number 4 is given as in a parallelogram diagonals are option A perpendicular, option B bisector, C is a congruent, D is parallel. Okay. So in a parallelogram diagonals are, I can write like this. Question number 4. So this is a parallelogram. Parallelogram can be drawn 2 diagonals. Okay, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, parallel. So what about this diagonals? Not perpendicular. Okay, but these two are bisect each other. Bisect each other. Okay, so let's go for the option B. Okay, so B is a bisector. 2 diagonals are bisectors. So option B is the right option. Okay, so these are the assignment questions per day from the construction of quadrilateral exercise 3.2. Thank you for all.